Hi, and welcome back to the Learning Express. Today, you'll be learning about lunar eclipses and solar eclipses. But first, what is an eclipse? An eclipse is an astronomical event that occurs when an astronomical object gets obscured for a certain amount of time. Now, there are two main eclipses, the solar eclipse and the lunar eclipse. And they both have to do with the sun, earth, and moon, but they are both very different. Solar eclipse is when the moon comes right in between the sun and the earth. The moon then casts two types of shadows, the umbra and the penumbra. The umbra is a dark shadow that is usually very small. The penumbra is a bigger circle around the umbra that is usually a lighter shadow. Now there are three types of solar eclipses: partial, annular, and total. A partial solar eclipse occurs when the sun and the moon aren't exactly aligned. The moon won't be covering the entire sun. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon is farthest away from the earth. Since the moon is far away, it doesn't cover the entire sun. So the sun ends up looking like a ring around the moon. A total eclipse occurs when the sun, moon, and earth are all in a direct line. During a total eclipse, the sky becomes very dark, as if it were night. Now moving on to a lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse occurs when the moon moves into the earth's shadow. There are three types of lunar eclipses: total, partial, and penumbral. A total lunar eclipse occurs when the moon moves into the Earth's umbra. Usually when this happens, some sunlight goes through the Earth's atmosphere and lights the moon a slight red color. A partial lunar eclipse occurs when the moon only passes through a part of the Earth's umbra. The shadow never completely covers the moon. Penumbral lunar eclipse occurs when the outer shadow of the Earth falls on the face of the moon. When this eclipse happens, you can slowly see the Earth's shadow covering up the moon. So now you know what solar and lunar eclipses are. The next time you see an eclipse, try to identify which one it is. See you in the next video.